This is the wild heart of Australia. Unpredictable weather, unforgiving terrain, a place that demands respect. But nestled on this very hilltop, a house stands defiant. This is Mansfield House. Built to withstand the elements, Mansfield House is an off-grid marvel. Architect Robbie knew he wasn't just designing a home, he was creating a fortress. Getting materials up here was no easy feat. The only access was a treacherous old track. It took a local team 3 months just to prepare it for concrete trucks. Even then, they could only carry half their usual load. Steel, concrete, glass, and plywood, these are the building blocks of resilience. Strong, durable, and perfect for a bushfire-prone area. Back then, sourcing materials wasn't a problem. But the world's changed. But through the challenges, a vision emerged. The heart of the house is a stunning glass box, capturing the breathtaking views and harnessing the natural warmth of the sun. But not all rooms are created equal. The bedrooms are positioned at the back, acting as a kind of bunker, a safe haven from the raging storms outside. Mansfield House is more than just a place to live. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect with nature, even in its most hostile forms. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the landscape, one thing is certain: this house will stand strong, a beacon of resilience in the wild heart of Australia.